Hello and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going over Airfix's 172 Messerschmitt Bf109 E3 gift set. Now it's in the bog standard box of Airfix, red with the picture on the outside and the basic information. It's telling you it's 172 scale, it's got your name, it's telling you the warnings around, which we will know about if you've made some. It's telling you what it contains, and I'll go into that a little bit later. You've got skill level 1 or 1 flying hours. Pretty nice box detail actually for a gift set, and the decal sheets stuff on the back. So overall, a pretty decent box overview. One of my favourite boxes that they've released. On the kit comes the basic essentials of a model, as it assumes, as it's a gift set, that you don't actually own any of these things. So you have 4 paints, 1 paintbrush, and the bog standard poly cement. So these paints are acrylics, and if you don't know the difference between acrylics and enamels, I've also made a video on that. You can scroll through and find that. But this poly cement is actually decent poly cement, but it will only last around 2 or 3 models with short application. Now we're coming on to one of the most important parts of any kit, the instructions. It's showing you the basic information of all Airfix kits, saying what it is. Now instructions are quite weird. That is, there's only 2 pages, but it actually folds back because it gives you extra information, because due to it being a gift set, it assumes you've never made a kit before and this might be your first kit. So it gives you a context as to what's in there itself, and it also gives you safety rules and instructions for supervising parents, but I assume that most of you have made a kit before. So it gives you the basic instructions, and you can see the next 2 pages again. They're not the most detailed of instructions, and the kit isn't the most detailed because it is a gift set and assumes it's probably one of your first, or maybe the very first kit you've ever built, so they don't want to overthrow you. Although, however, the final product, as you'll see in a minute, is actually a pretty decent looking model if you do it correctly. It does look superb, and the instructions are easy to follow, so new modelers shouldn't have any difficulty. So let's look at the final model. Now the final model, the way I've done it, looks pretty awful. If you ask me, I did not put much effort in this model. I was kind of having a relaxing period and I was tired. I didn't really do the model properly, but it still gets decent results, and this is the kind of results you'll get for first beginner modelers. It doesn't look bad actually, to be honest, even though I'm not particularly impressed with it. I broke the canopy, the paint's not cool, but the decals are actually pretty decent. I did not use decal fix. I tried making this as if it was a proper gift set, and I've never made it before, and it works absolutely fine. It looks superb, and I would honestly recommend this to beginner modelers, or any modeler. Sadly, that is the end of the Airfix Bf109 E3 kit review. If this did help you in any way, or you enjoyed this video, please consider liking using that thumb button. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing if you want to see more of my content, as it really helps support the channel. Until then, goodbye, keep safe.